This is right and wrong in ASL. This video is taught in sign language. Turn on closed captions. Correct. So it's the one hand shape, one on top of the other, and then they tap like that. Right. Right. You're right. You're correct. You're correct. Wrong. A Y hand shape at the chin. You're wrong. Or, I was wrong, sorry. I was wrong. 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 Right. This is right again, meaning correct. You're correct. Right meaning legal rights. Right. Right. The flat palm brushes against the other one. Right or rights. Rights. Right the direction. Right. The R hand shape moves toward the right. 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 Incorrect. Wrong. So again, this is wrong or incorrect. Wrong. Mistake. So it's the Y hand shape again with the palm facing inward. Mistake or errors. Many, you can use both hands. So that means again and again you made many different errors. One mistake over and over. And that tongue sticking out also shows that something was wrong or careless. Errors. Errors. What's wrong? So the Y hand shape again. Palm in at the chin. What's wrong? Or what's the matter? Eyebrows are down. That shows that it's a question. What's the matter? Or maybe get someone's attention. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's the matter? This can have a few translations. We use the Y hand shape again. Palm in at the chin, but it kind of rolls over the chin, meaning something went wrong. Something went wrong. Or oops. For example, last night my family went out to the theater. We were so excited. We got dressed, fancy, drove, arrived, but the tickets we forgot. So we went back home, had to look for them, found them, pocketed them, and drove back to the theater and arrived just in time. A different example. Maybe the beach, we planned to go to the beach, but it rained. So instead, we went to the movies. Let's review. Correct. Right. Right. Incorrect. Errors. What's wrong? But something went wrong. If you like this and this short format, find more at ASL Meredith on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to learn more ASL, don't forget to click like, plus subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye!